Unveiling, Rudderless, Navigating Through Its Meaning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often crops up in English conversations: rudderless. We'll dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding phrases like rudderless can help you express yourself more precisely. So, let's set sail and find out more about this interesting expression. Rudderless is an adjective derived from the nautical term rudder, which is a flat piece of wood, metal, or plastic used for steering ships or boats. When a vessel loses its rudder, it can't be steered, and as a result, it drifts without direction on the water. So, when someone or something is described as rudderless, it means they lack direction, control, or purpose. It can refer to individuals, organizations, or even projects that are moving forward without any clear path or guidance. The term rudderless has its origins in the maritime world. The rudder is critical for a ship's navigation, and without it, a ship would be at the mercy of the sea currents and winds. The metaphorical use of rudderless emerged as a powerful way to describe a similar lack of control or direction in other areas of life. This transition from a literal term to a metaphorical phrase shows the influence of nautical terms on the English language. To understand how rudderless is used in context, here are a few examples. After the CEO resigned, the company felt rudderless and uncertain about its future. Without a clear plan after college, he wandered around feeling rudderless. The team seemed rudderless in the absence of their captain, losing match after match. In these sentences, rudderless effectively describes the state of being without leadership or a plan. Rudderless can be used in various contexts, from describing personal life situations to commenting on professional or political circumstances. It can also be used more abstractly, referring to ideas or strategies that seem to be developed without a guiding principle or coherent thought. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the word rudderless with confidence. It's a word that conveys a lack of direction and can be quite useful in describing certain situations where there's an absence of guidance or control. Keep practicing, and you'll be steering your English conversations with the precision of a well-navigated ship in no time. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more English language learning videos. See you next time.